new water stats page now features 4 tabs at the top, including day, week, month, and year. Fitbit has overhauled its water logging feature on Android. The feature, launching with Fitbit version 4.38, adds a new look and enhanced tracking features for users who log their daily water consumption. The new water stats page now features 4 tabs at the top: day, week, month, and year. Users used to only see a reverse chronological list with week, month, 3 months, and year options. Significantly, the refresh makes the page look more contemporary, aligning with other Fitbit statistics. There is one main change: getting rid of the quick add for today feature, which may slow water logging slightly. In its place, users now have access to the floating action button, fab, menu, or an app shortcut. Fitbit water logging features. The new log water screen is an easy-to-use interface with preset settings for varying container sizes: glass, 8 fel Oz, bottle, 16 fel Oz, and large bottle, leave 24 fel Oz. It also allows the user to type in a custom quantity and select the date. Some users already have this update, but as there is a server-side rollout, it will take some time before the update reaches all users. Fitbit intends to redesign the food logging and health metrics areas to follow this new format. Users will have more updates to look forward to in the future as Fitbit refines its health and fitness tracking experience.